Hi, Joe here with Integrity Home Exteriors. How many times have you had to climb up on a ladder to clean out your gutters? It's one of the most frustrating chores, and it's one of the most dangerous for homeowners. That's why gutter guards exist. But here's the thing, not all gutter guards are built the same. The difference is in the materials and the design. Some guards are made out of plastic or thin metal. Sure, they're inexpensive, but they warp, crack, and blow out of place just after a season or two. When this happens, your gutters are unprotected and in worse shape than when they started, and you're back up on the ladder. Then there are low-quality screen guards. On the surface, they look like a great idea, but if the holes are too large, fine debris like pine needles, shingle grit, and even small sticks and branches get stuck, they slip through and clog your gutter. If the holes are too small, water can't flow through fast enough, and in a heavy rain, it just runs right over the edge. Either way, your gutters stop doing their job. That's why you want a reinforced stainless steel mesh guard. The mesh is fine enough to block out even the smallest of debris, but still allows water to flow freely into your gutter. And because the steel is reinforced and installed over a solid frame, it won't bend, warp, or collapse under heavy snow and ice. This is the kind of system that actually holds up long-term in our Midwest climate. So if you're comparing gutter guards, here's what to remember. Plastics and thin metals don't last. Poorly designed mesh guards either clog up or let debris through. The right choice is a reinforced stainless steel micro mesh guard that's built to handle all of the seasons. At Integrity Home Exteriors, that's exactly the type of system that we install. Strong, durable, and virtually maintenance-free. So much so that every one we install comes with a no-clog guarantee. So you can stay safe on the ground and keep your gutters flowing all year long. Thanks for watching, and remember, the right gutter guard makes all the difference.